Hello everyone, welcome to Sunshine Yoga. My name is Rashmi and in today's video let's learn how to practice sun salutations or Surya Namaskar correctly. In different forms of yoga there are various forms of Surya Namaskar being practiced, but in today's video I'm going to talk about the traditional Hatha style of Surya Namaskar. Before getting started, let's understand what sun salutation or Surya Namaskar means. So Surya Namaskar is a series of 12 different postures flowing gently and gracefully into one another with synchronization of your breath. It's an excellent warm-up done in the preparations of asanas practice. When should you practice Surya Namaskar? Ideally, it should be practiced early in the morning, gazing at the rising sun. But don't you worry, if it's not feasible for you, you can practice it any time during the day, but make sure that there is at least 2 hours gap in between your practice and your meal. How many rounds of sun salutation you should practice? I would say practice 6 to 12 rounds depending upon the kind of day you are having. So let's also understand the benefits of sun salutation. So as I said earlier, sun salutation is an excellent warm-up. It stretches more than 90% of our body muscles and therefore it results in increase of flexibility very quickly. It stimulates our cardiovascular system and therefore very good for the heart. And it also relaxes our nervous system, helps our mind to focus better, and it eliminates a lot of stress from our mind and the body. So I've just listed few benefits of sun salutation. The actual list goes on and on and on. So why won't you practice sun salutation, right? So let's get started. So today I have Vikas, my husband, with me to help me demonstrate sun salutation to you. Thank you so much, Vikas, for being in the video. And so let's get started. So come to the front of the mat. Stand straight, body straight, back straight, head straight. Chin parallel to the ground. Hands on the sides but relaxed, shoulder relaxed. Look at a point in front of you. So this is the starting position. Step 1. Bring your both palms together at the center of the chest. Little gap in the fingers and make sure your elbows are relaxed. Elbows should not be tensed like this. Shoulder should not be tensed but relaxed. Step 2. Stretching your both arms in front. Take both your arms above your head parallel to the ears. Now look in between your hands and arch your upper body backward. Make sure your knees are straight and elbows are straight and hips are arching little forward. Now here make sure that your head is not dropping beyond your hands, otherwise you will have undue pressure on your lower back. So step 3, lengthening your spine, bend forward from the lower back and place your both palms on either side of your feet as flat as possible on the floor. Make sure your toes and fingers are in one straight line. Your palms should not be in the front and should not be in the back, but on either side of your feet. And head is towards your knee. Try to keep your knees straight as much as possible, but it's okay if you are not able to in the beginning. You can bend your knees and gradually with the practice, you can straighten your knees. Step 4. Without adjusting your hands position, stretch your right leg back as far as possible. Now drop your right knee, your top of the right foot on the mat. Look up, your front knee and your front ankle should be in one line. Otherwise your knee is not going to be happy with you. Step 5. Take your left leg also back and body in one straight line. This is called push-up position or the plank position. Make sure your hips are not lifted up like this and hips are not dropped on the floor, but the body is in one straight line. And look at a point in front of the mat. Step 6. Drop your knees down on the mat. Drop your chest in between your hands without rolling your hip backward and your forehead on the mat. This position is called the Shashtang Namaskara position, the 8 count prostrations. So in this position, you can see 8 of your body parts are coming in the contact of the mat. Your 2 feet, your 2 knees, your 2 hands, chest and the forehead. Make sure your abdomen area and hips are not coming in the contact of the mat but lifted up. Step 7. Slide forward from here and arch your upper body backward. Make sure your legs are active, top of the feet on the floor, your elbows are bent and shoulders are relaxed. Make some space in between your ears and shoulders, and again make sure that your navel area is on the mat. Step 8. Tuck your toes in and without changing your hands and legs position, lift your hips high as possible. Look at your toes and try to press your heels down on the mat. It's okay if your heels are not touching the ground in the beginning, but with the practice and a lot of practice, it will all come. Right now it's because of the tight hamstrings. Step 9. Now bring your right leg forward in between your hands, your left knee down and top of the left foot on the floor. So if you're not able to bring your leg in between your hands in one go, like this, you can take the help of your hands and bring the leg forward. Now knee down, top of the foot on the floor and look up. Check again. Your front knee and front ankle should be in one line. Step 10. Bring your left leg also forward in between your hands. Head towards your knee, fingers and toes in one straight line. Step 11. Now lengthening your spine and looking in between your hands, take both your hands up and arch back. Relax, come back to the starting position. So we just completed one round of Surya Namaskar with the right side of the body. So we're gonna repeat the same with the left side of the body now. Bring your both palms together at the center of your chest. Now stretching your arms in the front, take both your arms up, arch back. Lengthening your spine, bend forward, place your palms on either side of the feet, head towards your knee. Now this time stretch your left leg back as far as possible, drop your left knee, top of the foot on the floor, look up. Check the front knee alignment here. Now take your right leg also back in the push-up position or the plank position, body in one straight line. Now drop your knees, drop your chest in between your hands and drop your forehead. Now slide forward a little, arch your upper body backward, top of the feet on the mat, legs active. Now tuck your toes in, lift your hips up. This is inverted V position. Now this time bring your left leg forward in between your hands. Right knee down, top of the right foot on the mat, look up. Now bring your right leg also forward in between your hands, head towards your knee. Now lengthening your arms, take your both hands up, arch back and relax. Come to the starting position. So we just completed 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar, one with the right side and one with the left side. And combining the two, it becomes one set of Surya Namaskar. So practice all these 12 postures, and once you are comfortable with all these movements, include breath work in your practice. So the ground rule for breathing in Surya Namaskar is we inhale at the time of the back bendings and we exhale at the time of forward bendings. So let's get started. So inhale, and while exhaling, bring your both palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bring your hands forward and down on either side of the feet, head towards your knee. Inhale, take your right leg back, knee down, top of the foot on the floor and look up. Now holding your breath, take left leg also back in the push-up or the plank position. So in this position we hold our breath. Exhaling, Drop your knees down, drop your chest down, and drop your forehead down. Inhale, slide forward and arch your upper body backward. Exhale, tuck your toes in and lift your hips up in inverted V position. Press your heels down on the mat. Inhale, bring your right leg forward in between your hands, left knee down, top of the left foot on the mat, and look up. Exhale, bring your left leg also forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, lengthening your spine, take your both arms up and arch back. Exhale, relax, come to the starting position. Now we will repeat with the left side. Inhale, and while exhaling, bring your palms together. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, head towards your knee, fingers and toes are in one straight line. Inhale, take your left leg back, left knee down, top of the left foot on the floor, look up. Hold your breath, take right leg also back in push-up or plank position, body in one straight line. Exhale, drop your knees down, drop your chest down and the forehead on the mat. Inhale, slide forward and arch your upper body back. Exhale, tuck your toe in, inverted V. Inhale, left leg forward in between your hands, drop your right knee, top of the right foot on the mat, look up. Exhale, right leg also forward in between the hands, head towards your knee. Inhale, take both your arms up, arch back. Exhale, relax, come to the starting position. So last few things that I want to tell you before I end the video. To practice sun salutation every day. So when I say every day, religiously every day, okay? Even if you don't have like a lot of time to exercise or work out for an hour, just practice sun salutation for few rounds and you are done. Make sure when you practice, keep your entire body active to get the maximum benefit of sun salutations. And lastly but not the least, while practicing, always keep a smile on your face and you will see the difference. If you like my video, please share it in your community, and thank you if you have already subscribed my channel, but if you haven't, please click that subscribe button now. And if you have any questions, feedback, comments or any requests for videos, please feel free to drop a comment in the comment box below, and you can also contact me on my social media handles. I've given the links in the description box below. Till then, keep practicing, stay tuned, stay connected, stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you. वो ऐप इंस्टॉलेशन क्या आ गया? So that results in increase of your friend. So that results in